Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So basically in this video we are going to talk about another very beautiful animation like you have seen in the beginning of this video. So let's get started. So I have created a new Flutter project and this is my new Flutter project and I'm just going to show you my puffset.yml. I haven't add any new dependencies to my project because I'm not going to use any new dependency. I'm just going to create all the animation by using a code and by using a page view builder. So this is my main.dart. So I'm just going to remove all my unnecessary code from my main.dart because I'm just going to write my all code from the, from the beginning. So let's get started. Firstly, I have to import some of the basic package of Flutter, that is material.dart. Give me a second. And another package that is Dart UI, Dart UI. Perfect. And I'm just going to define my void main. So that is my void main and braces. And now run app. And inside the run app, I'm just going to define my material app. Perfect. And inside this, I'm just going to define home. So that is my page animation. I'm just going to define a function, page animation. Perfect. And now I'm just going to create a stateful widget in the name of page animation, page underscore animation. And I'm just going to write my code inside this. So let me off my debug option as well. False. Perfect now. And now I'm just going to return scaffold. And inside the scaffold, there's a body, and inside the body, I'm just going to show my stack. And inside this, W1 children in the form of list actually. So inside this, I'm just going to use builder, page view builder. So because of this page view builder, I'm able to create that animation, that swiping animation. It requires some parameters like item count and item item count. So item count will be currently equals to 5 because I want 5 pages. Item builder, C I, and that is going to align. And inside the align, I'm just going to give the alignment. I don't know why my suggestions are not coming. Alignment dot top center, and inside this there's a child and padding. Going to give the padding as well. Inside this, I'm just going to give the text. If you want, you can create a lot of pages inside this, or you can also create put some image. Currently, I'm just using one text only, that is welcome to my app, that you have seen in my in the previous in the beginning of this video. Half of my code is perfect, and I'm just going to show you my output. Let's give the run of this app, of this run without debugging. So it's running, it's launching my app currently. So this is my output. So basically my half of animation is done, but I have to adjust the color and the size of this font. So let me do this 30, and let me make the color of this text to be white. So now I have to decide the color of my different pages. So what you can do is you can also create a number of pages. You can use this animation in your current app. Like if you have a number of pages like home, about us, shopping, and cart, you can do this. Otherwise, you can do any kind of things for this animation. So currently, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a list of colors, and I'm just going to implement this on my different pages. So let me define a list of colors. So that is my constant, and this is my colors item, page color, page underscore color. So this is a list of color. So this is a website where you will get the color. You will get there is a number of websites on the internet that will provide you the color code. So basically, I'm using this type of this website for giving the color. So here you will get the color code. So you can choose any color by sliding this, and you will get the color code of this. Perfect. So now I'm just going to use the color code of this. Just copy this and create a color and put things like this. Perfect. And now I'm just going to choose 5 different colors like this. So I have created my 5 different colors for my 5 different pages. So you can also use real-time page, or you can also decorate your different pages so that your animation will look like fabulous in new pages as well. So currently I'm using only colors to be displayed on different pages. So I have already chosen the color. You can choose the color as per your choice. And now I'm just going to create a button and the animation part. And now I'm just going to create my ignore pointer with some conditions. now my code is ready. Let me run it and see the output. So basically, run it and wait for the installation. So guys, this is my final output. I hope you like it. And now let me explain you each and every line of code one by one. So basically I have imported the basic package material.dart and dart.ui, and then I have created a list of colors. So basically if you want, you can use these colors on different pages, or if you want, you can also create your real-time pages, and you can create a different pages actually. And then I have created my stateful widget in the name of flow pager, and then I have created one page view builder. So basically in page view builder I am creating pages, right? So basically I'm using a text that is welcome to my app. So if you want, you can also create a real-time page, or you can use a number of images, your icons and buttons inside this page view builder. So basically what a page view builder do is page view builder is used to create a page, right? And then I have created an animated builder. Inside this animated builder I'm using the custom paint. And what is the custom paint over here? So basically a custom paint is used to give the conditions of all of the button. Basically whenever user scrolls down, whenever user scrolls left and right, whenever user swipe right and left, it will gives you the next color on the button. So basically these type of things is defined inside this. So you can don't worry about that. I'm going to upload these code in GitHub, so you can easily download it from there. And when you run it on your when you run these code on your machine, you will going to understand each and every line of a code, because sometimes it's very difficult to understand the code without seeing on your eyes, right? So don't worry about that. You can easily download these code from GitHub, and you can use it on your machine. Then you are able to understand the code very easily. And then I have created your animated builder. There I have given the conditions of animation, opacity, your buttons opacity, and your colors. So I hope you like the video and you like the animation. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And you can also follow me on my social media account, link in the description. And if you are facing any issue in running these codes or understanding these codes, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks a lot.